So as I was saying, in Weebly you've got a choice between a standard page with a header, or like so, that's like a home page, or a blog page, a store page, an external page, or a non-clickable menu. So if you wanted a non-clickable menu, that could be the top category of your menu. So if you had something called links and hit save, and then you can add links under that. So you pull down from that button and it would give you more options as far as those. But if you want to edit them, you have to go back to build, and we're going to click on our page. So let's click on our pages again one more time. We're going to add another page, a standard page, with a short header. And we're going to tell it save. And it's called new page over here. So if I want to change that, I have to come back into clicking on it, and I'm going to call it about me. And then I'm going to go back. Okay, so now I have a page that's called About Me. I have a page that's called Contact. I have my main page, and that's called Home. And on Home, I can say hide in navigation or show in navigation. And if you show it in the navigation, then it's always going to be here on all your pages. And that's a good idea. Hypothetically, you can get to home just by clicking on your masthead, but if you have it in your navigation, that just gives people an extra place to think about that and be able to find it easily. That's always a good thing. So those are your choices, and then it shows which one you're in. And the next thing I want to show you in here is under Theme. You can go to change the theme, which is here. And these are all the different themes that we looked at before. And if you change that, that's going to update. You can preview it or choose it and go onto your website. And if you do, you'll notice right away that the site structure stays the same, but the design of it and the layout and the look of it gets a little bit different. So that's what themes are. And that's what CSS is all about. So that's why you're learning CSS, because you're learning how to make these styles happen, and those are in our themes. So there are also things in the store, and there are settings, and there's a way to look at what it's going to look like on a desktop or a mobile. So that's kind of a cool feature. You can look here and see that on a mobile site that our site looks pretty good. And you can go back and forth between working that way. And that's a really good thing. When you're ready to set it up and use it, you can go to your About Me page again and edit it. Click here to edit. It'll let you change the title of this page. It'll let you add elements again in here. And again, if you want to add a body of text, you can just drag that in and start typing, or paste even in here. In this feature, you can do a few things as far as different editing and formatting. So you can do bold and italic and all kinds of other things. So this is going to work best if you have all of your assets beforehand, but we'll go over the strategies for getting that together in another video. This video is mainly to show you about Weebly itself. So I'm going to hit OK. Let's see if it just saves. If I hit publish at this point, it's going to take me to this reminder that I am using a free domain there. And if I want, every time I see this,